Mutsvangwa arrested, jailed. The Harare magistrate has jailed a 39-year-old Harare man, Nelson Mutsvangwa, for 5 years and 3 months. Sarabina mashoko abdanyogwa muzara nhasi tiona Nelson Mutsvangwa aiwa ari 39-year-old achipinzwa musongo achisungwa kuti subscribe like what on the bell icon. Timina munyogwa mchinzi Mutsvangwa had 9 counts of unlawful entry under aggravating circumstances. The National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) confirmed the case, saying the accused had targeted office premises around Harare Central Business District (CBD), breaking in and stealing computers and other accessories. In one incident that occurred on May 20, 2024, Mutsvangwa was caught in an act by the complainant. According to court records, the accused had gained unauthorized entry into the office using duplicate keys. He had already packed 3 Lenovo laptops and was attempting to make his way out when he was apprehended by the police occupant. This guy anonzi Mutsvangwa uyo angachivhurwa muma acts ekupinda muma offices aiwa dzingwa nema-duplicate key kana kubreaka in achinoba ma-laptops. Chipotidze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi nekuzoarrestiwa kwaitiwa nekusungwa kwaitiwa pina comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu musanga no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.